Born from chilling currents and chaotic churn came 9 great mothers of might untold, who bore the bright garden ages old. Their briny blood from boundless blue gave Heimdall birth, and being new, the wisest of gods on earth, he stood with godly gifts and greatly good. At an endgir's height he held his hand, where bifrost blazed a brilliant band. The sky-cliff saw the shining sight, where rainbow bridge burned with fiery light. He watches widely with waking eye, lest frost giants fall from freezing sky. He bears his ally, and as God's aid, no sudden sneak attack secretly made. His hearing keen on hills and heath, he hears the grass grow beneath his feet. He hears the wool weave and weary sheep, while most mortals their memories sleep. Less slumber he needs than soaring bird, no whisper lost, no wandering word. For the good hearing his gift is grand, guarding the gateways across the land. His gleaming yellow horn he holds it high, its booming breath will pierce the sky. When fated foes from Fenris field to gods in glory will never yield, the shrieking shofar will shatter all, a warning wail before the fall. The slow glow of heaven, his hand is fast to sound the summons that signals the last girl in Tammy named for golden teeth, a gleaming grin from deep beneath. On Goldtop rides his golden steed, a radiant rider in righteous deed. He travels through time with truthful thought, for futures forming as for knowledge called, but fates for skill with foresight clear. He sees the shadows that soon draw near. For mortals he moved through Midgard's main to bring men meaning and banish pain. He fashioned folk from field and fen, the father of freeborn fearless men. He gave them gifts of grace and gain, and ordered origins in Earth's domain. The progenitor pure for people's plight, he brought them blessings and blessed their light. When Surtur's sword brings searing flame, and twilight trembles with terrible name. When Fenris frees from fated chain, and Midgard's master brings mighty pain. And Loki the liar with legions loud will face the white god from out of the cloud. The watcher's wrath will fiercely fly, as foe without Loki he falls to die. In that final fray where forces fall, Heimdall the hero will heed the call. His mighty mind to meet his match, a distant Juno deity catch. The guardian great will give his breath in glorious combat to conquer death. On Goldtop rides, on Fenris feed, a red steed. On Goldtop rides, on Fenris feed, the soaring bird. On Goldtop rides, on Fenris feed, the covering bird. On Goldtop rides, on Fenris feed, will never yield, will never yield, will never yield.